virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Yes, today we will learn maths of standard 4 and the topic name is addition. Yes, dear students, in the last lecture also we carried over addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying over, isn't it? Okay, today we are going to learn addition of 5-digit numbers, means up to 10,000. Okay, with carrying over. Then shall we proceed to our portion? First, we will go through some revision. Here one sum is there. We will write first places, that is units, tens, hundred and thousand. Here this is your sum. Okay. Now we are going to add these two numbers. You know that always we proceed from unit place, correct? Here in the unit place, here 2 plus 5, that is 7. In the tens place, 2 plus 4, that is 6. In hundreds place, 3 plus 5, that is 8. And in the thousands place, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Isn't it? This is very easy. This is addition without carrying over. One more of 5 digit we will go through. Okay. And here it is your sum. Okay. Now again we will start from unit place. In the unit place, 6 plus 3, that is 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 2 plus 2, that is 4. And the last column, that is 10,000s column, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, this is also addition without carrying over. Okay. Now solve the sums given. Yes, sum is there. We will see. Yes, this is addition with carrying over. Okay, we'll start from unit place. Here in the unit place, 6 plus 5 is there. 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11, isn't it? And in the unit place, we will write 1 and we will take 1 to the tens place, that is carried over. Okay, now in the tens place, we have to add 1 plus 8 plus 4, that is 13, isn't it? Now 3 we will keep in the tens column and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. This you know, correct? Now 1 plus 7 plus 4 is nothing but 12. Again 2 digits we can't write in a single column. So 1 is carried over to thousands place and the same number will come down. Okay. The answer is 1231. Isn't it? One more sum. Okay, here it is. Now again we will start from unit place. In the unit place, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So 5 will remain in the unit place and 1 is carried over to the tens column. Here 1 plus 6 is 13. Okay. Now 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. In hundreds column, 1 plus 5 plus 7 is nothing but again 13. So 3 will remain in the hundreds place 1 will move to thousands place. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. So the answer is 8335. Correct? This type of sums we did in the last lecture. Now students, this is your new sum. Now here 5 digits are there, 5 columns are there up to 10,000. Okay, and the sum is addition with carrying over. Shall we move? Okay. Now in the unit place, 8 plus 8, that is 16. So 6 we will write in the units column, 1 is carried over, isn't it? Now in the tens column, 1 plus 5 plus 5 is 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place, that is 1 plus 7 plus 5 is nothing but 13. 3 I will write here, 1 is carried over to the next column. Okay. Now here 1 plus 8 plus 7, that is 16. So 6 I will write here, 1 is carried over again. Now in the last column, that is 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. Okay, this is our answer. Now how you will read this number? Okay, one easiest method I will tell you. Here combine or join together these two numbers, because these two numbers are in the thousands place. It's 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, under the heading of thousands. So together it became 96,000. Remember? Okay. Now it is easy to write 96,316. You know that 3 is in the hundreds column, 1 in tens column and 6 in the units column. Okay. So how to write this? 96,316. Okay. Shall we try one more sum like this? Yes students, one more sum we will do of the same type. Now here also 5-digit number is there and we will start the addition from units column. Here 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 I will write here, 1 is carried over, and in the tens place 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is 10. 0 I will write down and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds column, 1 plus 0 plus 9, that is again 10. So 0 I will write down and 1 is carried over to the next column. Okay. Now here 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12. 2 I will write here and 1 is carried over to the 10,000s column. Now here 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. Okay. How we will write and how we will read this? Yes, we are going to join these two columns, that is 7 and 2, that is nothing but 72,000. Okay. And in the hundreds place 0 is there and in the tens place 0 is there. So we directly move to unit place. So how we will read? 72,003. Got this? Okay. Now here one more sum is there. Sum is given here. 34,642 plus 45. Okay, the sum is given. Now here 3 students are there. You will see who are they. Ina, see her. The second one is Mina. And third one is Dika. These Ina, Mina, Dika, 3 students are there. and they are going to do this sum. Okay, we will see who will do properly. Okay, we are going to give them 2 minutes, then we will check. Yes, students, they are ready with their table and the numbers. Ina, we will go through first Ina. The answer is, here she has written 2, 4, 6, here 4 plus 5, 9 and 2 plus 4 is 6. Ina's answer is 69,642. Okay, what about Meena? We will see. Meena, here in the unit place 2, she has written here 4 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So here 1 and here also she has written 1. Now 1 plus 4 that is 9, and in the 10,000s column she got 2. Means her answer is 29,142. Okay, what about Dika? In the units place 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5 is 7. Tens place 4 plus 4 is 8. Now in the hundreds 6, thousands 4 and 10,000s place 2 she has written. Okay dear students, do you know which one is the correct one? Ina's answer is right or Mina's or Dika's? Listen here, they have prepared the same table. They have written the first number exactly alike, but they have written the second number in different places, correct? So they got different answers. Now first we will check which one is the right answer. This one? No. He's telling no. Okay, what about Mina's? This is also a wrong one. What about Dika's? Yes, Dika's answer is perfect answer. Why? Because she has written that 45 in the tens and units place. Got? Yes, dear students, this is the proper way to write the number. Always start the number writing from unit place. See how Dika returned 5 in the unit place and 4 in the tens place. That is the second number. But what about Meena? No, she has done that wrong here. She has written 45 in thousands and hundreds place. Totally wrong. And what about Ina? She also has written the number in 10,000s and thousands place. So dear students, Ina and Meena, they did wrong. They followed the wrong method. So you have to follow Dika while writing the second number while doing the addition. Okay. So class for Dika. Now dear students, add horizontally. You know this. We will do this. Here in the units place 2 and 6 are there. That is 2 plus 6 is 8. And in the tens place 4 plus 5 is 9. In hundreds place 6 plus 7 is there. That is nothing but 13. So 3 I will write here. 1 is carried over. Okay. In the thousands place 1 plus 7 plus 4 that is 12. 2 I will write here. 1 is carried over to the 10,000s place. That is 8 plus 1 plus 3. That is 12. Correct? So this is our answer. Add horizontally. Sum is there. We will start with unit place. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 I will write here. 1 is carried over. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. We will write there directly. Then the hundreds place, 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 I will write here and 1 is carried over. Now in the thousands place, 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay. See, like this we have to write. One more sum is there. Again we'll start from unit place. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 is carried over. 1 plus 9 plus 2 is 12. 2 I will write here. 1 is carried over. Then 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 13. 3 I will write here. 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 6 plus 9, that is 16. 6 I will write. 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Got this, students? That is 66,320. This is the answer. This is called horizontal method. Okay. Now here you can see this. Add the following. We will make the table. We will write the sums here. See this. All columns are filled. In the second column, you know, we have to start from the unit place, isn't it? Then third number 0, 3, 6. Remember this, dear students. Otherwise, we also will make the sum wrong, like that 2 girls. Okay, we will add now in the unit place 5. In the tens place 0, 0, 3, 4, that is 7. In the hundreds place 0 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. In the thousands place 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 I will write here. 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5. Isn't it? The answer is 53,875. Only in this you have to remember how to write the given numbers according to their places. Okay? Well done. Yes, homework is page number 21. Same type of sums are there. Please try. Okay? Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.